Hi, Robert Maltbie with MALTBIE S Minute on the market, here on location in Las Vegas at March Madness, where we just witnessed a thrilling double overtime victory by, who is it, Creighton? Now the question is, in the middle of all this madness and hoopla, what about AI? Is that hype or is it real? We say it is real. Let's get to it. In fact, we believe that the S&P 500 will hit 10,000 by the year 2030. And here's why. It's a new bull market driven by AI, and it seems very reminiscent of 1994, 1995. The S&P 500 target we have is 10,000 by 2030, driven by AI-related revenues reaching $3 trillion by the year 2030. Markets have priced in 3% in inflation, so we don't think that's going to be a fear or a factor. It will be a fear. And AI will have a disinflationary impact, causing inflation to go even lower. The S&P 500 and the Magnificent Seven, as of today, are priced at an undervalued historical relationship to their price to earnings growth rates and the forward growth. We feel investors want to focus on the forward growth, not the historical PE ratios. That's going to be very important here. Let's get into some of our singular research ideas that have outperformed the Magnificent Seven and NVIDIA this year. Starting with 5. The first one that we're focused on for our purposes today is called Envoy Medical. Envoy, we launched coverage at $1.50 and it went to $9 within 2 months, a 500% return. And it's no fluke. This is a company that has a one-of-a-kind technology that services an $80 billion market globally. It has a unique inner ear hearing implant that's been reclassified as a device rather than a hearing aid, thus is very likely to be approved for full insurance coverage. Also, it's got big financial backing. Glenn Taylor, a billionaire who owns the Minnesota Timberwolves, owns 52% of this stock. He was also a Minnesota state senator, so he knows the ropes politically. 2 more significant events are likely to occur, increasing and securing their funding. Finally, we want to focus on some other names. Calcimedica, from 2 to 7, 200% in 3 months. Zortex, from 2 to 4, this year alone. And on the back burner, we've got FSD Pharma, ticker symbol HUGE, H-U-G-E, which is involved with a robust pipeline of innovative treatments for brain disorders and alcohol abuse. It has a product called Unbuzzed. It's led by a marketing icon, Kevin Harrington, and former Celsius Holdings Inc. CEO, Jerry David, and they've generated billions of dollars of sales and value for brands and
we're not going to talk about
shareholders.
this here because they got my South Point logo on the back.
All right, so
let's go.
we're getting escorted out. This is Robert Maltbie at the end of March Madness at the South Point in Vegas. Thank you. Go to singularresearch.com.